Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a clickable PDF within Canva. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to simply search for PDF, and you can do this for like PowerPoint or whatever you want to create within Canva. You can, as long as you're going to export it as a PDF, you can easily go ahead and make it clickable. But I'm going to just simply type in PDF, hit enter, and let's find something with more than one pages, right? So let's see, this one has 4 pages, this one has 4 pages. So let's say I'm going to choose this option here, and let's customize this template. Right now, let's say I'm inside this template, right, and I want to go ahead and create a clickable and make this clickable. So this could be for, it could be like a table of content, it could be for some topics or whatever it might be. I'm going to show you how to do this. So as you can see, I have deliverables here. I also have the timeline and key dates and so forth. So I'm going to show you how to do it with this project title so that you can do it for whatever you want. So find the text within your document or PowerPoint or PDF, whatever it might be, right click on it, and you will see the option that says a link. Now, if you go ahead and click on link, you will see the option that you can select pages, right? So you can just go ahead and select the pages. So I'm going to select, for example, the page 3, and I'm going to simply go ahead and click on done. And I'm going to do it for a few more pages. So let's say I want to do, let's find something else. Let's use this bottom button here. Let's say I want to click on this and take me back to the home page. I'm going to right click on that, hover over the link, go ahead, and I'm going to put the home page there, click and done. And let's do it for something else. Let's do it, for example, on the page 3 here at the bottom, you have that, right click on this, and I'm going to go ahead and click on link, and let's choose the home page here, click and done. Now you can do this for external as well. So let's say somewhere within the document, I'm going to go ahead and zoom this in. So let's say I want to change this title here to, for example, Google, right? I'm going to simply go ahead and click on that, and I'm going to write Google, right? So let's say I want to link this to google.com. I can simply go ahead and click on the text, right click on that, then click on link. Now from here, you have the options, as I showed you before, to put links, right, or pages there. But we don't want to go ahead and put pages, right? We don't want to select any pages from here. We want to put our own link. So we can just simply go ahead and just type in www.google.com. Simple as that. And then click and done. Now this will be linked to Google, as you can see there. And that's all there is to it. I'm going to click on done here. And that's it. Now, what I'm going to do now, guys, is I'm going to simply go ahead and export this document as a PDF. So click on share on the upper right hand side here, then click on download. And from here, you want to switch this to standard PDF. So click on PDF, ensure that all the pages are selected, then click on download. Now, what I'm going to do now, once this is finished downloaded, I'm going to show you that these links actually work. Now, as you can see, it is done. I'm going to open up my PDF documents from my download here. As you can see, I have the file here, so I'm going to double click and open that. And here is the document. Now, this was the first link, right? So if I click on this, you see it takes me to this page here, right? And remember, there were others, right? For example, this one, if I click on that, it takes me back to the main page. And I also did it on the page 3 as well. If I click on that, it takes me back to the page. Now, what about the Google? If I find where I had the Google, I can simply click on that. And you will see here, it's going to ask me here, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to simply click allow. And as you can see, it basically put me over to Google. So you see, guys, you can easily go ahead and create links within your PDF documents. And that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.